Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon Seller Central, manage orders and inventory step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a computer for the clearest Seller Central experience. In the address bar, type Seller Central, Amazon.com and press enter. Check that the page URL begins with HTTPS to confirm a secure connection. Select the correct marketplace if you operate in a specific country or region. Click Sign In to move to the Amazon account login screen. Enter the email address or mobile number linked to your Amazon seller account. Type your password carefully and make sure caps lock is off. Click Sign In to access your Seller Central dashboard. If prompted, complete two-step verification using your code or authenticator app. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Your Password link and follow the reset steps. Once inside, look at the top menu to locate the main navigation tabs. Click Orders to open the Order Management section. Choose Manage Orders to see all recent and pending orders. Use the search bar to find an order by buyer name, order ID, or SKU. Filter orders by status such as unshipped, pending, canceled, or shipped. Click an order number to open the order details page. Review the shipping address, items, quantities, and delivery service level. If the order is unshipped, click by shipping or confirm shipment depending on your workflow. Enter tracking information accurately and select the correct carrier. Click Confirm Shipment to mark the order as shipped and notify the customer. Return to the top menu and click Inventory to manage your product listings. Select Manage All Inventory to view all SKUs, prices, and available quantities. Use the search and filters to quickly locate a specific product. Click Edit Next to an item to update price, images, title, or listing details. To update stock levels, adjust the quantity field and save your changes. For bulk updates, download the inventory file template and upload it after editing. Check the inventory performance and restock tools to avoid running out of stock. Review any account health or performance notifications and resolve issues promptly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.